boys and girls. I just wanted to share my writing with you and tell you what I am the best at and go over the parts that you should have included in your writing. So, as you can see, I have some pictures. And if I was doing this on paper, I would draw my pictures, but since I'm doing this on my computer, I just added some pictures. And the first thing that I wrote was my title. You have to remember your story should have a title. And then I have the body of my writing, which is 3 sentences. 1, 2, 3, because I wanted to write 5 sentences. So I needed to make sure that I had enough sentences in the body of my paragraph. And then at the end of your writing, you should have a closing that wraps up what you're telling your reader about. So I will read my story to you. My title is I Am the Best. And this can be your title too, because we're all writing about the same thing. So your title can be I Am the Best. And I am going to write about being the best at baking cookies. So listen carefully. I'll read the body of my story. It says, I am the best at baking cookies. And look at my period at the end. And I also have a capital here. I am the best at measuring the ingredients. Look at that big giant word, ingredients. It looks like I stretched out my word really well. Then I have a period here, and I remembered my capital. I am the best at mixing the ingredients together. And then I have my period, and I made sure that I remembered my capital letter in the beginning of my sentence. And now I have my closing. So my closing tells the reader what I am the best at and why I am the best at it. So my closing says, I am the best at baking cookies because they taste the best. And I think that my cookies taste the best because I do a really good job at measuring the ingredients, and I do a really good job at mixing the ingredients. And that is why I think my cookies taste the best. So boys and girls, remember, when you're writing your story, you need to have a title, and you need to have a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence, and you need to have a period at the end of your sentences. Unless you were like me and you were so excited about your closing and telling your reader what you are the best at, you can add an exclamation point, because an exclamation point shows excitement. And I am really excited when I bake cookies and then I get to eat them at the end because they taste the best. Alright, boys and girls, I hope you share your writing with me. I can't wait to see it. Until next time, goodbye.